Welcome to Learners Math TV. In this video, we are going to identify the roots of a quadratic equation in factored form. Derive and use the formula for the sum and product of the roots. And solve problems involving sum and product of the roots without solving the quadratic equation. Now, to get the sum and product of the roots of the quadratic equation, unahin muna natin yung mahabang paraan. Let's say, meron tayo ditong given quadratic equation na x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Gamit tayo ngayon ng factoring method para i-solve natin yung mga value ng x. Ayan. So, ang factors ng 10, unahin natin. Ano ba yung mga factors ng 10? Yan ay 2 and 5 and 10 and 1. 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 times 1 is 10. So, sa dalawa na set, ang pipiliin natin ay 2 and 5. Bakit? Kasi ang addends ng negative 7 ay negative 2 plus negative 5. So since meron tayong negative 2 at negative 5 bilang addends ng negative 7, ang factored form ng ating quadratic equation ay quantity negative 2 times the quantity negative 5 equals 0. So pwede na natin i-separate yung dalawang value na x by equating x minus 2 equals 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, equate natin both factors by 0. Now, ang value ngayon ng x sub 1 must be positive 2. At ang value ng x sub 2 must be a positive 5. Then, yan na ngayon yung mga roots, di ba, ng ating quadratic equation. Now, talking about the sum, pag sinabing sum of the roots, x sub 1 plus x sub 2. So that is 2 plus 5. So it is equivalent to 7. Now, talking about product of the roots, x sub 1 times x sub 2 is equal to 2 times 5. And that is 10. So, yan yung medyo long process o long way of having the sum and product of the roots. Ngayon, para mas maikli ang gagawin natin, if you are asked to find the sum and product of the roots of a quadratic equation, mag-derive tayo ng formula. Ayan. So, unahin natin yung sum of the roots. Anong formula ba ang gagamitin natin dyan? Okay, i-derive natin. So, that is x sub 1 plus x sub 2. So, kunin natin yung ating quadratic formula. So, di ba, ang bawat quadratic equation ay may dalawang value. Okay? Isang negative value at isang positive value. Kaya meron tayo ditong plus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Dito naman ay negative square root of b squared plus 4ac. So, ang ibig sabihin niyan, itong dalawa ay pwede na natin i-cancel kasi 0 na siya. Kasi ito ay plus, yun naman ay minus. So, it means we're going to subtract, diba? The same value. Kaya magiging 0 siya. So, matitira, itong negative b plus negative b, that is negative 2b. And then, ang negative 2 divided by 2 is just 1. Kaya, ang matitira dito ay negative b over a. Kaya, kung hahanapin pala natin yung sum of the roots of a given quadratic equation, ito lang ang gagamitin natin. Ito yung ating na-derive. Negative b over a. So, ano ba ang value ng b? That is negative 7 from this given quadratic equation. So, ilagay natin ngayon. Diba? Negative b at ang b natin ay negative 7. So, that is negative 7. So, therefore, ang value ng ating o ang sum of the roots ay 7. So, parehas lang sa nakuha natin kanina dito doon sa mahabang paraan. Okay? Ngayon, pagdating naman sa product. Product of the roots, that is x sub 1 times x sub 2. So, ganun pa rin. Ang derivation nito ay manggagaling sa quadratic formula. So, since ito ay multiplication, di ba? That is just a product, di ba? Product yan eh. That is the product of sum and difference. Di ba? Sum and difference lang yan. Ito ay plus, ito naman ay minus. So therefore, ano mangyayari yan? So ito lang, negative b times a negative b is a positive b squared. Tapos, ito ngayon ay negative kasi ito ay positive times a negative. So that is negative. And then, mawawala na dyan yung radical symbol. B squared minus 4ac will be remain. Then, simplify. Negative times the positive b squared is a negative b squared kasi isang quantity yan. And negative times a negative 4ac, it becomes positive 4ac. Now, again, let us continue simplifying this expression. B squared minus b squared is equal to 0. Kaya matitira na lang dyan ay 4ac over 4a squared. Okay? So, meron tayong dalawang 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then a divided by a is also 1. Pero, ang a natin ay naka-squared. So, may matitira ka pang a sa baba. Kaya, ang matitira dyan ay c over a. Kaya kung hahanapin mo ang product of the roots ng quadratic equation, ang gagamitin mo lang formula ay c over a. So, ang value ng c natin dito ay 10 at ang value ng a ay 1. Kaya, yan ay 10 over 1. So, the product of the roots of this given quadratic equation is 10. The same as doon sa ating nakuha kanina. Okay? So, mas maikli na gamitin na lang natin yung ating na-derive na formula. Kapag sum of the roots, that is equal to negative b over a, at kapag product of the roots, that is just equal to c over a. For our first example, we're going to find the sum and product of the roots of this given quadratic equation. X squared plus 6x minus 16 equals 0. So, kunin muna natin yung value ng a, b, and c. Our a is 1, our b is 6, and c is negative 16. So, the sum of the roots, we have the formula of x sub 1 plus x sub 2 equals negative b over a. So, since ang ating b ay 6, so that is negative 6 over 1, that is negative 6. So, that is the sum of the roots. Now, about the product of the roots, ang x sub 1 times x sub 2 naman must be equal to c over a, according dun sa ating na-derived na formula. So, since ang ating c ay negative 16, ayan na, negative 16, and then our a is 1, so that is negative 16 divided by 1. So, it is equivalent, of course, to negative 16. Okay, so, eto ngayon ang product of the roots na nakuha natin. Okay, isa pang example. Find the sum and product of the roots of 2x squared minus 8x minus 4 equals 0. Ayan. So, kunin muna natin ang value ng a, 2, ang value ng b ay negative 8, at ang value ng c ay negative 4. So, let us now get the sum of the roots. Okay, so that is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 equals negative b over a. So, ang ating b ay negative 8. Kaya, kung susundin natin, ang ating formula, that is negative, and then the value of b is negative 8. Divided by 2, because that is the value of our a. So, a negative times a negative must be always a positive product. Kasi yan ay meron diyang invisible 1, negative 1 times a negative 8 is a positive 8. So, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Kaya 4 ang sum ng roots ng ating given quadratic equation. Now, para naman sa product of the roots, ito naman yung ating susunding formula again. x of 1 times x of 2 is equal to c over a. So, the value of our c is -4, lagay natin dyan, at ang value ng a ay 2. So, -4 divided by 2 is just equal to -2. So, therefore, ang product of the roots ng ating given quadratic equation ay -2. O, laging tatandaan, sa math ay hindi maaari na nanonood ka lamang. Upang maging mahusay, dapat lagi kang handa na mag-practice o magsanay. Panoorin mo man ng libong beses. Kung walang pagsasanay, ang oras mo ay masasayang lamang.